You don't hate scrolling. You hate what it's turning you into. Distracted, low focus, no real progress. And the worst part? You're starting to feel stuck. And you don't even know why. If nothing changes, this is your life. So this isn't motivation. This is replacement. First, digital minimalism. Declutter your phone. Remove the noise. Because distractions don't come from nowhere. You installed them. And the truth is, you don't lack discipline. You built an environment that destroys it. Second, voice journaling. Talk to yourself out loud. No filters, no pretending. Because speaking is faster and more honest than writing. And the reality is, you lie less when you speak than when you write. Third, reverse learning. Teach what you learn every single day, even if no one is watching. Because teaching forces clarity. And if you can't explain something simply, you don't actually understand it. Fourth, building micro projects. Small creations you can finish in 1 to 3 days. Not perfect, done. Because momentum beats perfection, and big goals don't fail. Your inability to finish does. Fifth, attention training. One task at a time. No switching, no distractions. Because your focus isn't broken, it's trained to be weak. And multitasking is nothing but controlled distraction. Sixth, observation walks. Go outside and actually study people, their behavior, their patterns. Because awareness is a skill, and most people look, but never really see. Seventh, idea collecting. Build a daily idea bank. 10 ideas every day, no excuses, because creativity isn't talent, it's pressure. And your brain stays average because you never challenge it. Eighth, learning persuasion and human behavior. Understand how people think, decide, and act. Because this isn't optional. If you don't learn this, you get controlled by those who did. And this is exactly why most people stay stuck financially too. They don't understand how decisions are made, by them or by others. I break that down deeper on my second channel, Hazel Invests. But first, fix this. Ninth, memory training. Stop depending on your phone. Recall things manually. Names, thoughts, information. Because your memory isn't bad, you've just made it lazy. 10th, silent sitting in public. No phone, no distractions. Just sit there. Because presence is power. And if you can't sit alone without stimulation, you're not in control. You're dependent. 11th, skill stacking. Combine 2 skills every week. Writing with design, editing with marketing. Because being average at multiple things makes you more valuable than being great at one. 12th, constraint challenges. Limit your time, tools, or resources. Force yourself to adapt. Because when everything is easy, you don't grow. Constraints are what sharpen you. 13th, recording yourself talking. Watch it back. Study it. Improve it. Because self-awareness comes from feedback, and the version of you in your head is not the real version of you. 14th, learning to sell. Start small. Sell anything, even ideas. Because life rewards people who can communicate value, not the ones who are right. 15th, boredom training. Do nothing on purpose. No stimulation. No escape. Because boredom is where clarity starts. And if you keep killing boredom, you kill your creativity with it. Closing. This isn't about hobbies. This is about control. Because the same person who can't control their scrolling will never control their life, and definitely not their money. So start here. Fix this. Pick one habit from this video and commit to it for the next 7 days. Then go to the comments and type 7 days. The habit you chose. Make it public. Make it real. And when you're ready for the next level, real financial control, go watch my second channel, Hazel Invests. Because discipline without financial intelligence still keeps you stuck.